Alexa, turn on my studio setup. This is it. So, how was it? How was the setup? Just let me know down in the comments if you liked my setup or not. Or like, just a disclaimer, this is not my complete setup. Like, I have some additions planned to it, but because of the lockdown, I am not able to complete them as of now. And I will make a complete room setup tour once I'm done with that, once I'm done with the renovation of this room. And let's start for now. So what is up, guys? I hope you guys are good and safe and at home and in quarantine. I know lockdown is like eased out in most of the areas and actually all over throughout the country now, but still stay at home, be safe, and keep your families and everyone safe as well. So yes, this is my desk setup. This was my desk setup, like what you just saw. I have planned for this desk setup for almost 6 months now, I guess. Like, I've been planning for it. Like, before making this all, I even made a 3D model of it just to see how the desk will look like, and this is somewhat close to that, I will say, what I planned, and I really love it. Like, if you have seen my earlier video, you must have known what desk I used to work on. That is this, and now I'm working here. This is just a very good promotion for me, and after working really hard as a freelancer for past 2 years, I thought it is a good time to get myself a good desk setup, and I've finally done it, and I'm really proud of that. So without any further ado, let me show you and explain all the things that I have here in my desk, and let's start. So firstly, on YouTube, I've never shared what computer specs that I have. Today I'm going to tell you that as well. So first, let's talk about my computer only, my PC, and the specs of my PC are listed right over here. You can pause the video and see them. So not just a basic video editing PC, I needed something more because I've done my bachelor's in VFX and animation, and VFX requires some good amount of cores and RAMs in your PC to work on, and that's why I went for this PC and not just in budget editing PC. This is slightly above than a budget one, but this PC is really great. The specs are good and still expandable. I haven't run out completely on my specs. I can still expand the SSD and RAM storage and whatnot. So this was my PC. Coming on to my screen, I use an AOC 24 inches full HD IPS display, which is 99% sRGB gamut, a really good display again. So I thought of getting an ultra wide display at the time when I was buying this display, but the desk where I sat earlier, and this one didn't had that much of space that I can put an ultra wide display there. So I went for this one for the time being, and now I might upgrade really soon to an ultra wide display or maybe some other kind of display, like so I can have two displays in front of me and edit. That really helps. And for my keyboard and mouse setup, they are just basic. I earlier had a Logitech mouse, but it got broke, and I'm soon going to order a new one. But this Redgear mouse is really good as well. You can use it for gaming also. The keyboard is also of Redgear, RGB normal keyboard, not a mechanical one. I'll soon buy a mechanical one. Like, I only invest in stuff when I need it. I really need it. Like the desk, I really needed it, so I just invested in it. And like, I wanted to have a room where I can work actually, where I can shoot videos, where I can click photos, where I can have a background in the back and click photos and whatnot. So I needed a room and I have one right now, so I'm just going to set it up perfectly really soon, just when this corona stops killing our vibe. Coming on to the desk, actually, if you are from Delhi, you must have known about the furniture blog that is located in Kirti Nagar. So I got this desk from there. I went to the shop, like just searching for desk. I had a look on this one and I just like, wow, I had to get this one. So this was for around 9 or 10,000 rupees, and this has like three storage drawers right over here and one big storage right on the right side. That fits my purpose for keeping all my gear and my stuff. I really wanted to get a desk from IKEA, like I really wanted to actually, but IKEA doesn't ship to Delhi as of now. They are still stuck in Hyderabad and Mumbai, so they don't ship to Delhi, my bad. But I love this desk, so no complaints and all. And moving ahead to Alexa, nothing. So yes, moving ahead to this little piece of technology controls everything in my room, from every electrical appliance to turning on my desk setup to turning on and off my lights in the room. Just to show you an example, Alexa, studio lights on.
Hello, sir.
Hi. Alexa, studio lights off. So yes, it controls everything available in my room. I have paired my desk, my PC to it. I have connected all my lighting in my room to it, and I have connected everything to this. It was like I always wanted my room to be something like this. It was a dream of mine and I am working for it. I'm making my room like that, like just like I had dreamt of it. Yes, I am working on it, and just waiting for the room to be completed and make a full video, full room tour of my setup of my room. Moving ahead to the drawers, let me show you what I have in all the drawers. So in the first drawer, I keep all my normal stuff like my wallet, my iPad, just my graphic tablet. Like when I'm sitting on the computer, when I'm editing, I need my graphic tablet. I take it out from this drawer and everything. I just keep all my things in right here. The second drawer is the most important drawer to me. That is actually my camera drawer, my camera gear drawer. And just see, that is my drawer. I just love this drawer. I wish I had more of these drawers. And in the last drawer, I just keep my extra stuff like some wires, some cleaning tools, and etc, etc. So coming on to the right side of the desk, I have this cabinet in which I keep some boxes, my gimbal, and my camera bag. And if you haven't seen the video what's in my camera bag, the link is right up in here in the cards. Please see that. So the next thing, let's talk about the speakers. So I really had an issue with buying my speakers. Like, what speakers should I buy? Should I go for a soundbar or should I go for speakers like a 2.1 or 5.1? Or I was really confused. So I went to YouTube. I searched about what's the difference between them and all. And earlier I actually had a 5.1 home theater system connected to my PC in my other room where I was sitting earlier. But that setup wasn't good for me, because I have to edit videos. I want the sound coming directly to my ears and not echoing around all the room. And also I wanted something like a bookshelf speakers like these, or a soundbar. So I went to some offline stores out there that were open in this time. I went out there, I searched for all of them, and then I finally bought these Edifier R120DB speakers, bookshelf speakers actually. I bought this on Amazon for about 8,000 rupees, 8,500 rupees, and the sound is just amazing. Like, to my ears, I'm sitting in front of the desk. They are good, the bass is good, everything is good, the treble, the mid-tones, the highs, the lows, everything is so perfect. But even when I'm outside my room, standing outside, still the sound is really good. I am really happy with my purchase actually. Yes, I am really happy. Coming down from a 5.1 home theater system to a normal 2 bookshelf speakers, I am really happy. They perform really well. Really good sound. And some miscellaneous things like this desk mat right over here to keep my keyboard and my mouse. I have my phone stand in there, and I'm planning to keep some other stuff as well. And if you have noticed this shelf, this is actually like the temple of my home. We had it on this wall, but I have to move it slightly right over there so that it doesn't come on my desk. I'm still working on that. It will take some time. That's why I couldn't wait and I just made this video. The lighting around my desk, if you can't see perfectly, just wait, let me turn off my video light and this light. This lighting setup is actually a 5-meter LED strip light which I bought on Amazon for around 700 or 500 to 700 on Amazon. I will link everything down that I have on my desk right here. I will link everything down in the description. Everything from my PC components to Alexa to nothing, to my speakers, to my LED, to my keyboard and everything. I will list everything down in the comments down below. Please check that out if you want to buy anything from that. And this strip light I really like. I really love this strip light. The color from this light is just like really amazing. I have put this to fading mode and this just changes all the RGB colors, RGB tones, and gives me a really good editing really good effect while I'm editing. Yeah, and that is it for now, guys. I hope you liked my desk setup. Comment down below if you liked my desk setup, and just comment down below if you want me to make any other video, if you have any idea in your mind. And I'll see you guys soon. Please stay at home, be safe, and please follow me on Instagram at FrameByAB, and please subscribe to my channel. And please like this video. Comment down below if you have any doubts or if you want me to make any other video. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Please help me grow. I really love making videos. I love making content. I love making videos and everything. So please help me grow this channel, and please share this video if you like my desk setup, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post a video. So that's it for now. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Bye.